The strongest armored car in the world has a high level of security system. Even though they are not tanks, these cars have military specifications, so they are suitable for tactical and very important purposes. Not only is it bulletproof, it is supported by anti-ballistics and is equipped with several weapons to support it. The following is a list of armored cars that are claimed to be the strongest in the world. One, Paramount Marauder. Paramount Group of South Africa has released a series of armored vehicles which are claimed to be one of the strongest in the world, namely the Paramount Marauder. This all-terrain vehicle covers various roles for high-level military and security purposes. This vehicle can accommodate 8 combat-ready soldiers and infantry up to 4,500 kilograms. Not only bulletproof, the Marauder is even able to withstand mine explosions or TNT weighing 8 kilograms. This vehicle is also used by security forces from several countries in Africa, such as Algeria, Jordan, Malawi, Oman, and even Singapore. 2. Inkas Huron APC. The Inkas Huron APC is a multi-purpose vehicle designed to protect its passengers from the highest threats. This vehicle is capable of operating in almost all climatic conditions. Huron has off-road capabilities supported by a Pacar engine 8.3L and automatic or manual transmission with 10 speeds. This car is completely designed by Inkas Armored Vehicle Manufacturing, combining summer and distraction materials that provide a greater level of comfort to its passengers. This car is designed to provide protection against ammunition attacks. This strongest armored car has been tested to meet NIJSTD 0108, 01 Level 3, SEN Level B6 ballistic standards. 3. Avtoros Shaman 8x8. As the name suggests, the Avtoros Shaman is an armored vehicle supported by 8x8 driven wheels, weighing 13 tons. This vehicle is also supported by a high-speed air pump. The Avtoros Shaman 8x8 has a 3.0L capacity kitchen with a 4-cylinder configuration. This makes it capable of producing 146 horsepower and 353 Newton-meters of torque. Not only that, this car, which uses 265 liters of solar power, can go up to a maximum speed of 71 kilometers per hour with fuel consumption of 26 liters per 100 kilometers. 4. Conquest Night 15. This armored car is a combination of interior luxury and military standard toughness. This car, produced by Conquest Vehicle, specializes in being a tough, bulletproof car. The toughness of the Night 15 can also be seen in terms of the engine, which is powered by a 6.8-liter V10 engine made by Ford. There is also a diesel version, which uses a Ford 6.7-liter Power Stroke engine. The 8-turbo diesel engine with 300 horsepower. Each side of this strongest armored car is equipped with advanced technology that can withstand attacks by a barrage of bullets, bombs, and mortars. Each window of this SUV uses ballistic glass and a military standard ballistic aluminum body. 5. Cadillac One. The Cadillac One is an armored car produced by General Motors through its Cadillac Automobile division. This car is used by the American president and high-ranking state officials, having a high security system. This car is supported by window glass that is 6 inches thick, while the doors are 8 inches thick and armored to prevent bullets. Meanwhile, The roof of the car is claimed to be impenetrable by anything on the cockpit side. Various sophisticated security and entertainment features are also available. This car is nicknamed the Beast or Monster because the limousine chassis is made from 5-inch steel and the entire body is made from a combination of aluminum, titanium, double steel, and ceramic.